Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking to you about what you need to do in case you run into a situation where you do not have access to the internet or the OLS or power for the day. Now, your child will still be required to complete lessons for the day. It will still count as a school day. And in order for your child to not be marked as absent, I'm going to show you what you will be required to do to make sure that they will still get credit for having a full school day. So once you log into your student's account, this is my example fifth grade classroom or fifth grade student. You'll click on the plan button and then you'll go down to the button that says weekly plan. Now I am making this on a Friday, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the date and look at it on a Monday. The easiest thing to do is to get into a habit of looking at this every Monday and printing this out to make sure that you have all the lessons that are due for the week and you know what is required of you. In case of the event that something happens and you do not have access to the internet or you can't get into the OLS one day or anything like that, you can still have your child complete lessons. So I would get into the habit of every Monday looking at your weekly plan, and when you log in and look at it, you can push this button to print weekly plan. And once you print it, you'll be able to have it for the week. Now, say that you do not have power on, let's look at Wednesday. So what you would do is you would look at this plan for Wednesday and you would look at your math lesson and you would look at the language arts lesson and you would go to these lessons in your books that you have at the house and you would be able to complete the offline portion for each of these lessons. So when you get access back to the internet or the OLS, you'll be able to mark the lessons as complete because you were able to do the offline portions of the lesson. Also, remember to make sure, if possible, to let the teachers know that you are having a difficulty getting into the OLS or you have no power. If you're able to let the teachers know, and then you can just let them know that you still had your child complete the lessons and you did the offline portions of the lesson. If you guys have any questions about this or anything, just make sure you ask your teacher and they will be able to help you guys out with anything that